You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, the name of this pasta-shaped pasta variety that's made by different makers including Barilla. Let's learn how to pronounce more names from Italian cuisine together. Stay tuned until the end, we've got tons of them. Italian pronunciation, Capellini. Because you have a double L, it means you want to stress on that L sound, okay? Capellini. This is why it's not Capellini, but Capellini. English pronunciation, angel hair is essentially what it means. Capellini, Capellini, from Italian Capellini. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.